Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nagar Beauty Box. In today's video I'm going to use this Conair Blowdry Infinitipro and we're gonna review it and I'm gonna blow dry my hair. As you see it, I never used it. I'm gonna use it with you guys, and this is so lightweight. This is the point. I really love the weight and also so beautiful. Let's try if the heat is good enough. It's good. And now I'm gonna use this brush, Avanti Ultra. Okay guys, this is the result with this blowdry Infinitipro Conair. I'm happy with it. Actually no frizz. I have to say, if I want to compare it with the blowdry which I use it in the salon, that one is more hot, that you cannot keep it in near your root because it burns, but it doesn't. It's safe to use at home, is hot enough, it's good to lightweight, as I told you before, and for home usage is one of the best, and for the price it's really worth it. If you've got a wavy hair like mine, thin, no frizz, you're gonna love it. But if you have like too much hair, frizzy hair, and you want make it straight, you'd better to use iron after.